pretty cool. Just that hammer on the stick like that, how it gets that radiant view sometimes. You know, it just captures every angle you can think of.
It does.
There we go. Look at menu, that was huge. Yeah, you like that? Yeah. Easy to read. Very cool.
In the car.
You look like King Kamehameha with your fridge.
I'm missing the shirt, right?
How's it going, guys?
Oh, goes good.
Well, good afternoon, gentlemen.
I knew it was 10 o'clock because I saw you guys.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. Doug, how you doing? Yeah, we were gonna come earlier, but then I went, nah. I don't want to ruin my image. You know how that is. You have an image? When I look in a mirror, I have an image. Hi, Bruce. Hello. How's it going?
Yeah, I mean, me too, and I was late.
We were gonna, well, you know me and my schedule. That's how I roll. Boy, we're in 3-a-con. Holy crap. Well, take a nap after this. Back here. Morning. You guys don't have any shady stuff going on back here in the back of the parking lot, do you? You guys are safe, don't worry. Morning, guys. How's it going? Shade up. Look at you all hanging out. Shade up. How you doing, buddy? Good, how are you? Just finishing the round. Where's Uncle Randy? Sleeping in today, all right?
That's why.
That's why.
Any more information? The guy was talking to Scott Dave. Okay, that U-turn was throwing me off completely.
Hey,
The U-turn was throwing me off.
Gotta get here early for shade. Don't look at you.
Yeah.
All tucked under there, all cozy. Good job. Dan? Dan? That's me. Dan? It could be. If there's free stuff, hell yeah, my name is Dan.
They taste really good.
Okay,
that's
the
it.
green banana is the starch, and the red banana is the sugar.